Let's talk about seeding your lawn, filling in bare areas. We've had a ton of snow this last winter, which means in my yard here, a lot of snow mold, a lot of damage in one particular area. Let's take this opportunity to do the work myself and show you step by step on how you can do it yourself. Now that we're in April, you're going to want to do this. The sooner you get it down, the better, because if we get too hot too fast, the seed won't do as well. Look around your yard, find the areas you want to fill in. You're going to want to rake this out. It's really important for the seed to touch dirt. That way you have good success. If it's not touching dirt, you're not going to have very much success with it. So first thing is first, rake out any dead grass or debris, clean the area out so you can see a lot of bare dirt. We are to the point where you want to apply the seed. Take a look and see what seed is best for you. If you have a lot of shade, you may want to consider a turf type tall fescue seed, but the most common seed in our area, the most common grass, is Kentucky bluegrass blend. Go ahead and look at our website. We have links and scenarios on which grass is best for you. The seed is down, you're going to want to cover it with some more type of soil. I prefer to use peat moss. It's easy to get from Home Depot or Lowe's. It's not as heavy. It's just convenient and it works well. So you're going to want to cover, just throw a little bit of peat moss or dirt on top. Thin layer, you're talking 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch thick. That's all you want to do. That way you're setting it up for success. Now you've done all the hard work, but don't let it go to waste. You have to water correctly for this to work. So the key is keep this peat moss wet all the time for 3 to 4 weeks. You're going to want to water 3 to 4 times a day for 2 to 5 minutes each area each time. If you come out here a couple of weeks later and you don't see results, that's completely normal if you're doing Kentucky bluegrass. That's totally normal. Also, do your best to keep kids and pets off of these areas. These guys are showing you exactly what you should not do. That way you get a better result, your lawn looks better, that way you can enjoy it much more this year.